Hello traders, Mr. Fib is here. So today I will teach you 1 2 3 pattern structure and order block. So this is my market just making lower low and lower high, and suddenly at one point of instant just market break its structure and start making higher high and higher low. Okay, so this is the lower low lower high, and what did market after break of the structure start making higher high and higher low. This break of structure that is happened, and what I will teach 1 2 3 pattern entry that will form in these points. So this is my bullish entry, 1 2 3 pattern bullish entry, and these are my 1 2 3 pattern bearish entry. See how market was first going low, but after break of structure going high. This break of structure is not easy to see, and you have to practice this so you can make the entries according to the market. And what I will call this break of structure line as my day 0 line. This is my day 0 line, and market is just mirror. It will just mirroring itself according to this vertical line, that is my day 0 line. Now try to see what is my 1 2 3 pattern structure. So first of all we will see bullish order block, and for that we will see the 1 2 3 structure. Just assume market was falling down and making lower low and lower high. At some of instant you will see that this kind of structure will form in lower part of the market. So I will call this my 1 2 3 pattern structure. This is my first candle and second and third candle. So there is a particular characteristic of this, that second candle must be lower than first and third candle. This is very important, and the third candle must be higher than first and second candle, and the third candle must have some impulse in it, sudden move, and it can also be formed like this. This is also a valid structure. Okay, this impulse move is very important, and this characteristic always remember that second candle must be less than first and third. Now I will measure the first and second candle, and this is my order block from high to low. What I will do next, I will just break this order block by scaling and put my orders and my stop loss below the second candle. This is my standard. Actually what happened when market form this kind of structure, it just leave my order block for some time, and after leaving come back again, take orders from my order block either in upper side area or this second candle high area or the middle area. This is the possibilities of taking orders from order block by the market. So in this instant market was making the red candle, and you should not fear to buy the market in red candle. Now measure the box and divide the box by half. What I will call this middle line as my threshold line. Okay, and this is not my equilibrium line, but this is my threshold line. So this threshold line will be my standard entry. When market come to my this threshold line, I will buy and put my stop loss at second candle. Now see the same thing with the Fibonacci. Draw the Fibonacci from the second candle low and green candle high, and these Fibonacci levels are your entry point: 62, 79 and 72. And now again, when this order block form and market come again to my this order block and taking orders, so I will be suspect about this order block will hold my price or not. So I will wait and I will see that market is making a second order block or not. So if you see 1 2 3 pattern structure form again here and market make a second order block here, and I will do the same thing. I will measure the high and low of first and second candle and divide it by 2, and that will be my perfect entry, because I have two confluences, that there was my first bullish order block and this is my secondary bullish order block. Now see, this is bearish 1 2 3 candle pattern, and same characteristic, second candle must be greater than first and third candle must have some impulse and break the first and second candle. So I will again measure the first and second and divide it by 2 and put my stop loss above second candle. Either my entry on the candle open of green of second candle, or just divide by 2 this block, and there will be my entry for the ceiling. This is my entry. See how price will leave my order block and come again with the bullish momentum. So never fear, sell in bullish. When price touch my threshold line, I will sell the market. So there will be again a secondary order block will be formed when price came to my this bearish order block next time. Now try to see this in market. Here what happened, that when market broken the swing low and forming the 1 2 3 pattern structure above, come back again. Now let's assume that market was going up silently, and what happened, we are just waiting by our marking lower low, and we are just see that what is happening here. So market just broken my lower low, and that green candle was my first, middle one was second, and this whole candle is my third candle. Now see, we will divide the structure with the scale and mark my threshold line. Measuring with the scale and marking with the threshold line. Now I will wait and let the market come back to my threshold line, and then I will enter and put my stop loss above the second candle. Now market is coming with the bullish momentum, and did you see that market just touched my threshold line and feel resistance and little bit goes back, and that was my selling entry. I will never be fear about the shorting market on that price, on that line, and because my SL is so low, my SL is very low, and I will see the market how behave after that. Just leaving my order block and going down and down and down, and there was my swing low where I will book my target. This swing low was my target, and I will book my target here. This swing low is my second target. Always try to book your profits at first target and book it 80% at first target and leave the 20% for the second target. Now measure the risk to reward. So that red area my risk, and this much was my reward. This is almost 1:7. See, market make a 1 to 3 pattern candle structure. Second candle is higher than first and 3, and third candle have some bearish momentum. Okay, so what I will do, I will just break the structure by the scale, and let's assume the market was reversing and form this. So what I will do, I will measure the box with the scale and divide it by my threshold line. So I will wait there, and when market come back to my order block, I will short the market. See that line, market just touches my threshold line and feel resistance. So I will short my market there, and my SL is above the second candle. Now see how market behave after that. Here market again created a secondary order block. What I teach, if you miss the first order block, just wait for the market to create the secondary order block, and this is my second entry if I miss the first, or if I want to add more orders. Now see how market behave here, just feeling resistance from my second candle and fall. And what should be my target? My target should be below the old higher low. This is my old higher low, and I will book my first profit here. See how market is going down and down, and that was because market was trying to clear the stops to the left, lower high या फिर higher lows. Now see the risk versus reward. That is my risk, and this much was my reward. So this was 1:25. This is my order block, and I will divide my order block by the scale and mark my threshold line. This is my threshold line, and I will wait for the market come back here after leaving my order block, and I will make a bullish entry. See how market behave my threshold line, and I will enter in the red candle for my bullish entry. And these lower highs are my targets. So if I am bullish, my targets are lower highs, where the stops are lie. See how market taken the stops, and my 80% position will be exit there, and now I will carry on my 20% position. And now see again, market taken the order from the order block and clear the stops above the previous lower highs. Now again see the risk versus reward, and this is first risk versus reward. This is almost 1:2 and then 1:5 almost. Now try to see the selling tree once more. So what happened here, market was just open at 9:15 and after that just break the first and second candle with the momentum. So what I will do, I will just mark the high and low of the first and second candle and divide that box with my threshold line, and I will wait to come back the market my threshold line. See, I will divide my box and I will wait for the market to come back again here. Now market come back again, taken orders, and my SL is so close. So I will be not worry about my losses. See how market came to my threshold line and take orders. So you just enter just before market touched your threshold line, so you could not miss any entry. Okay, and what is happen here, there is also a bullish order block just below your bearish order block. So if you short the market from that point, you should be aware that there is a bullish order block also. So I will exit when price touch my bullish order block, and that will be my safe target. Otherwise my target would be below the swing low. And also note that there is no break of structure occur here, so there is a possibility that my trade would be fail, but I will make this trade in profitable way by marking the bullish order block here. I will exit and see what happened after market just goes in bullish mode. So this is the way how you profitable. And now see again, this is my 1 2 3 candle structure from there, and this is standard. This is always market respect this structure, this will never be fail. See how third candle have momentum in that and it breaks the first and second candle. Now mark the first and second candle high low. This is my bullish order block, and I will divide this by 2. So that was point my threshold line, and I will wait for the market to come to my threshold line, and I will book my profit just above the recent old high or recent high. See, I can do this same thing with the Fibonacci tool. Fibonacci is also same thing. But now try to understand the day zero concept. Just assume market was making lower low and lower high, but suddenly break of structure happen and start making higher high and higher low. So what I teach to students, that you should always try to identify this break of structure, and after identification just divide the market by vertical line, and this vertical line is your day zero line. Okay, and I will teach you guys that how to buy the market after the break of structure happen, and buy the market in low. This is break of structure, So buy low and sell high, and these are my targets. See how market will take the targets after break of line structure happen. You can also enter in this with the Fibonacci. Now this is an important point to consider. Always divide your price leg with 2, and this is again your equilibrium, and above equilibrium you should avoid the buying entry because that is your premium zone and price is already above. So always try to find entries of buying in discount zone below the equilibrium line. Now see how market clear those stops and come back again, take the orders and again go up to clear the stops. Okay, and with this way you can make the entry, either use order block entry or Fibonacci entry. Now try to see, there is a market moving upside, making higher high and higher low, and some point of stand, what happened there, market just break the structure and goes for the stops of higher low. Now I will mark all the higher low and I will just watch and let the market go. And what happened there, market break the higher low but did not give closing, but after some time give closing. So this closing is very important because after giving closing, now this was my day zero line, and now watch how market clear these stops after the day zero line or break of structure happen. There is a 1 2 3 candle pattern structure form, but market did not given you any entry because banks are booking back their profits, so they will not give you time to enter in his trades. See how market goes to clear the first stop and it's clear, and that should be our target if I short the market after that. And now after that again going to clear the second higher low, and that is almost clear, but after that see what did market, just see clear all the 2 1 2 3 higher lows, again goes about for the selling entries and now clear all the stops here. This is how market works. It works in the terms of stop clearing, first going up and after break of structure happen going down, but you cannot find this in trend way. Okay, thank you.